Yeah, you like my lips. I like your hair.
Look into my mom's channel.
What are we going to make today?
Pink cookie frosting.
Do you know how to make it?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's go.
Are you going to help me?
Yes.
Or you're going to help me eat it?
Help you cook it.
Cook it. Okay, let's go.
Yay! But it's always my favorite.
Is it?
Yeah, but I love it. It's always my favorite.
Okay, let's go make
Because
it.
it's pink. Because it's like, but even pink is right here. My t-shirt.
Okay, let's go.
Yes.
Yes. 2/3 cups of white sugar.
Yeah.
Gumawa po kasi ako ng cheesy ensaymada at isa sa mga ingredients doon ay
And you see my fingers?
ang gumamit ng 3 egg yolks. So, ang egg white, hindi ko naman kailangan sa paggawa ng ensaymada. Kaya, gagamitin namin siya sa paggawa ng
Pink cookie frosting.
So, sa paggawa ng pink frosting cookie, kailangan natin ng 3 egg whites, 2/3 ng white sugar,
Yep.
1/4 teaspoon ng cream of tartar, vanilla,
Yep.
and a dash of salt.
Yeah.
And since pink ang kulay na gagawin natin, we're gonna need a red food color.
Yep. After we use that.
So there you go, salt.
Salt?
Egg whites.
Yep.
1 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. That's 1 teaspoon.
Yep.
And 1/2 teaspoon. And 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar.
Yep.
Ipipit lang po natin siya sa medium speed. Pwede na po natin ilagay ang white sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time. Ng food color.
Yep.
Let's add some more.
Let me get on a chair.
What's the sound? That's it. I think that's it, baby.
Yeah.
So, yan po, ibabag ko na po ang ating pink frosting cookie. Hindi ko po makita ang aking spatula, kaya kutsara ang gagamitin ko. Ay, ang hirap. Hindi po ako expert sa ganito, kaya Pasensya na sa mess. First time kong gumamit ng first time ko pong gamitin tong aking ano tawag dito. Tong kit na to. Eto. About our
pink cookie frosting.
We'll have to bake it first, right? I-bake po natin siya ng mga 40 to 45 minutes. So 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Ng mga 40 to 45 minutes or hanggang sa maging firm to touch po siya. Look at that. And look over there. Hi, baby. Last time po na nagluto ako nito,
It was a fail.
no.
Just kidding.
You liked it. You finished it all. Naubos na po yung
Yeah, but now I want some more.
yung cookie frosting
And
cookie.
you want to look at my beautiful
Beautiful hair.
and it's like
So here it is. It's cooked. I'll give it to Sophia. Look at that. Sophia, look. Look at this, baby. Look. Is it crunchy? Oh, I should try one. What can you say about the cookie?
I like it.
Is it your new favorite?
Yeah.
Tapos, ito nga po, gumawa po kami ng ensaymada. Ang recipe na ginamit ko po sa paggawa ng ensaymada ay ganun pa rin po sa naunang video namin ni Sophia. Making ensaymada with Sophia, nandun po siya kung paano gawin ang ensaymada na to. Almost. Titikman ko na po siya. At kanina pa ako natatakam. Malambot. Cheesy ensaymada at Coke. Coke. Here's our pink frosting cookies. And our cheesy ensaymada. This one po, naubusan po ako ng cheese. Kaya frosting lang. Pero masarap din siya. What? Hey, Anna.
Hi.
Hey, Sophia.
Hi.
Who's coming?
Jello.
Hi, Kuya.
Oh my.
Wash your hands first. Wait. Try it. Tell me what you think.
It's good.
It's good this time, right?
Not like stuck in your teeth. It melts in your mouth.
And there's Anna. Anna banana over there.
He's gonna eat one.
Okay.
Cheese.
Yum 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 yum.
That's
yum,
hers.
Yum yum yum. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. So, ayan po, next time nagagawa kayo ng ensaymada or ng leche flan, pwede nyo pong gawing frosting cookie. Frosting cookie, how do you call it?
Frosting cookie.
Frosting cookie yung egg white.
Homemade recipe.
And sigurado po magugustuhan ng mga bata. Ayan, sige lang po ako nang lagay dito. Sige naman sila nang kuha. There you go. 3 egg whites lang po yan, mga medyo madami din po ang nagawa.
No,
Kasi
Sophia.
madami na rin ang kanilang nakain. It's okay. Oh, you're putting one, kuya? Who will get the last one here? Ha! Is it?
I got the last one.
I know.